Hello, it's Annie and Craig from the Love Code workshops.
Many of us aren't in relationship yet are looking to be in a relationship, and yet what we find is often it's hard to create that idea of what we want, or certain behaviors in us also might obstruct us from actually letting ourselves get close to people, to trust people, to open up to people.
Yeah, we all have our kind of wounds and the places in us that have been hurt, often in relationship, and we have a lot of protective layers, things that kind of block the flow of love, whether you're in a relationship or you're not. So people who are not in a relationship at all, or perhaps someone who's in a relationship but perhaps their partner's not ready to come to this kind of workshop. The relationship with self is really key. Like our capacity to know ourselves and to be able to sensitize to the parts of us that are wounded and or protected, so that when we do enter into a relationship, we can come from a place of much greater awareness and sensitivity to ourselves and start to be able to attune to another.
One is that self-awareness, that's really important. The other thing is self-esteem. Self-esteem is really fundamental in us being able to speak up about our feelings, to speak up about our needs, to recognize and articulate our boundaries. The Love Code really helps you understand why those aspects of relationship are so important, and it builds a more caring, loving relationship with yourself.
Self-compassion is really key, and getting to know yourself. And we like to make the workshops very experiential, so it's not just about a didactic teaching, but about starting to have a different experience of yourself in an embodied kind of way.
We teach on the Love Code a lot of tools and maps to help you navigate, particularly also those early stages of relationship.
When you're on your best behavior.
And it's very vulnerable. We're going, is this going to work? Our needs start to come up. We wonder if this person could really also love the parts of us that maybe we also find hard to love. Love Code really helps you form a better relationship with those parts yourself.
To be really courageously and emotionally honest. And that's not easy in a relationship. But when we can start to work that edge of that vulnerable place where a lot of us fear either being rejected or we fear losing ourselves in relationship. And at the edge of that really is our growth.
One thing we have in the workshop is just seeing that wherever we are is something we can communicate with another. If we bring acceptance, intimacy isn't just gazing into each other's eyes like in the movies. It's also maybe saying, I'm struggling here, I'm having trouble, I feel a bit vulnerable right now. And once we can start to accept those parts of ourselves and communicate them, the relationship actually starts to go deeper and safer. People often say that they learn so much also from other people's sharings in the workshop. It's rich, it's relatable. You don't feel I'm the only one out there feeling this way.